The games that stay on your phone for months usually have one thing in common. They stay entertaining even after the first week instead of feeling repetitive after a few sessions. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that are easy to keep coming back to week after week, and why they've remained part of my regular rotation. First is Monopoly Go. This game combines board game mechanics with daily events, collectible stickers, and regular tournaments. There's almost always a new event running, so logging in for a few minutes each day feels worthwhile. The social features also make trading stickers with friends much more engaging than simply playing alone. Next is Royal Match. It's a match 3 puzzle game, but frequent level updates and special challenges keep it from getting stale. The controls are simple, the animations are polished, and you can play for a few minutes or much longer without feeling forced into lengthy sessions. The third pick is Brawl Stars White. Matches are short, characters play differently, and multiple game modes rotate throughout the day. That variety makes it easy to jump in for quick games without repeating the exact same experience every time. Regular updates also introduce new content that keeps longtime players interested. Number 4 is Solitaire Cash. If you're in a region where real money competitions are available, the familiar solitaire gameplay makes it easy to learn, while competitive tournaments add an extra layer of challenge. If cash competitions aren't available where you live, you can still enjoy practicing your skills through standard gameplay where supported. The 5th game is Miss Plane. While it's technically a rewards platform instead of a single game, I kept opening it every week because it introduces new mobile games to try in one place. Instead of searching the App Store yourself, you can discover different genres and decide which ones deserve more of your time. One thing all 5 of these have in common is that they reward consistency instead of requiring long gaming sessions. Playing for a short time several days a week often feels more enjoyable than spending hours in one sitting, and then forgetting about the game entirely. To sum everything up, Monopoly Go offers constant events, Royal Match delivers reliable puzzle gameplay, Brawl Stars keeps things fresh with different modes, Solitaire Cash adds competitive play where available, and Mistplay helps you discover new games to enjoy. Pick one that matches the type of games you already like, spend a week with it before switching, and you'll get a much better idea of whether it deserves a permanent spot on your phone. If you found this list helpful, like the video and subscribe for more game recommendations and app guides.